Hi guys, I hope you're all keeping well. In this video I'll be showing you how I made this breastfeeding pillow, which can also double up as a baby seat. So it actually has an inner pillow and then it has an outer cover which has a zip which can be removable. So to start off, I started with my inner pillow. This is the fabric for the inner pillow. I used a solid color fabric for this, and the fabric was 60 by 60 centimeters, and then I folded it 2 times into a little square, as you can see there. Then I pinned those 3 sides. Then I took my ruler and then I started to mark the longest point from that top corner, going in a circular motion, just like that. Then when I was done, I just took my scissors and then I cut that away. Then I started to mark 10 centimeters from the top corner again, going in a circular motion, just like that. And then I also took a scissors and then I cut that away. Then I removed my pins and then I just opened it up once like that to get that semicircle shape. Then I went to one edge which was still folded and then I cut that out with my scissors. Then I took like a dinner plate. If you have a curved ruler, you can use your curved ruler. I just wanted something that had a rounded shape, and then I drew with my chalk and then I cut that as well. So now, as you can see, we have the shape that we want, and then I went on to the edges and then I pinned. Then I stitched on all the edges, and I did leave a small gap which I used to turn the pillow inside out. After turning the pillowcase outside out, I now took my stuffing and then I stuffed the little breastfeeding pillow. When I was done stuffing, I now took a needle and thread and then I closed that gap that I used to turn the cover inside out and to stuff the pillow. Now to make the cover, I cut my African print fabric the same way that I cut the fabric of the inner pillow, and then I went on to that edge and then I took my zip and then I started to pin my zip onto that edge on both fabrics. Then I now stitched my zip. So when I'm done stitching my zip, it looks something like that. Then before I stitch the rest of the cover, I opened up my zip a little bit. This is where I'm going to use to turn the cover inside out. Then I went on to stitch that on the sewing machine. After stitching, I now turned the pillowcase cover inside out. And then I did iron it before I put my inner pillow. Then I now inserted the inner pillow into the pillowcase cover. And at that point, I was basically done. Then I also decided to make a small pillow to attach to the breastfeeding pillow. This is for the head, and those are the dimensions that I used to cut. And then I first cut the bigger piece. Then I also cut the little cute ears. Then I stuffed the little ears and then I attached them onto the rest of the body of the small pillow. Then I now pinned it and then stitched it right round. After that, I now drew a small circle in the middle of the pillow using that water glass, and then I went on to stitch that on the sewing machine. And then I stuffed all the surrounding edges of the little pillow of the part which was not sewed. After stuffing my pillow, I now close the little gap that I used to turn the pillow inside out or cushion inside out. So at the back I attached this little tab, and then I also attached this band with velcro, and this is what I used to secure the cushion onto the pillow. So that is all for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you in my next ones. Bye.